I have a lighter on me, but I've never had a cigarette. Excuse me. Wait. I'm gonna burp one more time, sorry. Do cheese, not crack. Yeah. I'm not sorry about that. Kalita, hi. 80 is where she draws the line. No. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Oh god. Because I like the girl's YouTube channel. Ew! I'm sorry. It's quite round. I have round features. Okay, guys, you're getting an ad, sorry. No, just wanted to wait for the ad to start, you know. Crazy. What did you say, Rob? Yogurt, that's so true. That was a weird one. She's gonna eat. It's just sparkling water. When's that ad starting? I don't know. It said that they were getting it. Oh, you're subscribed. Oh my god. There's so much liquid in me. What belch? There's no belch in here. I'll just be normal. Thank you, Hilda! Tactical nuke incoming. You don't know that. Just heard the truck right now. BRB. Brando's like, I've gotta get out of here. Okay. Sorry, I'm gonna do my little jump. Don't make fun of me. There's more. It's so bubbly. Whew. Excuse me. I'm a lady. I think that's it. How silly. No, it just, the bubbles. The bubbles, they have to be like all in the same spot. Okay. That should be, I think that's everything. That's everything. The aftershocks. I'm here though, just made breakfast. Ooh, what are you having? Yeah, we definitely don't want me to have another one. You want to see the abs? Talk about the timing on this. Egg head, egg head, egg head.